limestone ball press, is composed of three parts. One is the feeding part. The feeding part of the limestone ball press is mainly to achieve quantitative feeding, to ensure that the material evenly into the roller. Two is the transmission part. Limestone ball press transmission part of the main transmission system is motor, triangle belt, reducer, open gear, roll. Three is the forming part, mainly refers to the main engine part of the limestone ball press. The core part is the roll when the feed between the two rollers is too much, or into the metal block. The hydraulic cylinder piston rod pressure overload. The hydraulic pump will stop. The accumulator plays a buffer role on the pressure change. The relief valve is open to return oil. The piston rod shift to increase the gap between the rollers, so that hard objects through the roller, so that the system pressure return to normal, and protect the limestone ball press roll is not damaged.